Okay guys, so we just took a trade inside of this fair value gap that formed after we created the breaker. So the breaker's on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and maybe even the 15 minute as well. So there's a lot of price action behind us. This liquidity there, equal highs, we're targeting that for best case scenario, but maybe we'll get out before that, depending on price action and time and everything, and just how I feel. And so yeah, we'll see if this price action behind us supports price and whether we go up or not. Okay, so we just got out there at 1R. We got out a little bit before our original drawn liquidity, because sometimes it doesn't get there. So if you exit at a point of liquidity before that, which is this swing point, also swing point on the 15 minute, and if you trade on the 1 minute and you reach a opposing 15 minute swing point, you'll likely get a strong retracement. Okay, and I don't like sitting through retracements, plus it's the start of a new hour. I just want to finish the day. Tomorrow I'm not trading because I have an appointment, so tomorrow I'm not trading. So I just wanted to finish for today and for tomorrow, get my 1R. We had, as I said, we reached this liquidity there. So 1R, I'm happy. Original drawn liquidity was there, these highs, but doesn't always need to get there for you to make money. Okay, we will probably get there. We're going there now, but no regrets, because you're making money. Okay, just explaining quickly again why I entered. So this is a lot of price action there. We took liquidity on the higher time frame, on the 4 hour. So yes, it was a high resistance run there. Let me just zoom out. Like, you're going against all of this. This is 15-minute blocks, hourly blocks. It's high resistance, but on the high time frame. But we took a liquidity on the high time frame as well, on a higher time frame, on the 4 hour. So I was okay with sitting through this high resistance liquidity run. So just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then before the big run, we take out this liquidity there, and we go to that pool of liquidity I showed you guys. My stop originally was there, so as you can see, I entered there in this fair value gap. This was a lot of price action, so I chose to put my stop loss like below this, like below all of this price action, or below the 50% at least. So which is this little order block there before we jumped higher, not this order block, because it's like, no, this is a lot of price action there, so I wanted to have my stop there. We formed the fair value gap after we formed this breaker, and you sit through it. As I said, it's a little bit high resistance, but eventually we get there, which was my new TP, my exit point, original one still being there. Okay, but yeah, you don't always want to sit through all of this. If you make money, it's never a bad thing to take profits after like more than 1R. Anything more than 1R, like, depends on where the liquidity sits. So if you reach a liquidity pool, take your profits. Okay, it's nothing bad about that. So yeah, that was a trade for the day. As always, my only setup I take is a fair value gap after we have a breaker, taking liquidity or something. Either taking liquidity or some kind of higher time frame fair value gap. That's where my move starts, and then we form a breaker, and then we form a fair value gap, and we target liquidity. So again, no trades taken today apart from this one. The trade from yesterday I showed you guys as well, like, it was that one there on this breaker, targeting liquidity there. Obviously if you hold, you can make more, but it's not my personality, and sometimes it reverses. So just to show you guys, no other trades taken. Yesterday one trade, today one trade. And yes, I do have losing trades, but I'm not currently showing that. Maybe I'll start showing it if the comments tell me to show my losing trades as well. Or maybe I'll do weekly recaps and show my losing trades, but yeah, for now, yesterday win, today win, and tomorrow I'm not trading, and then Thursday we'll be back and see if we get any more trades. Okay, that's it for now.